Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Eject button added to File Manager, I'm going to show you a new feature in Eclipse 11 that allows you to safely eject external storage devices like USB drives, SD cards, and external hard drives, right from within Eclipse. Right now I have a USB drive plugged into my computer and it's currently recognized as drive E. In Eclipse, I've also set up this directory as my auxiliary directory. When I go to the File Manager under Control F as in Frank, I can go to Auxiliary to see the contents of that USB drive. I'm going to go to the Job tab, and I'm going to select a file to copy, and I'm going to choose Copy To and select my auxiliary directory. I'll press OK, and now that file is listed in my auxiliary drive. And now, with the tab that has the auxiliary drive selected, I can hit the Eject Drive button to eject my drive safely. And this button performs the same action that going to the bottom of your screen, right-clicking on the USB icon, and then selecting Eject USB would also do. And so now this function is available directly from within Eclipse. I'll choose Eject, and Eclipse tells me that my drive has been ejected, and the window that I had open with my drive contents is now closed. And if I look on my computer, I no longer have a drive E. I'm going to unplug the USB drive from my computer and plug it back in. This will force Windows to recognize the drive once again, and you see that it has the file I selected. But what if you do not have a drive set up as your auxiliary location? I'm going to change my auxiliary location to something other than my USB drive. And I'm going to go back into my File Manager, and I can still access and eject my USB drive even though it doesn't have its own tab. If I go to the Aux tab, this now shows me different information. But if I go to Browse, I can select my E drive, press OK, and now I see my asbestos dictionary again, and I can select it and move it, copy it, or do anything that I need to. I'm going to rename it. And now I'm going to copy it back into my Jobs folder. And once that's done, and I'm done modifying this dictionary, I can, with the Browse tab selected, hit Eject Drive, and the drive gets ejected again. And I know that all of my changes have been safely stored on that drive since it was safely ejected directly through Eclipse. So now, instead of having to venture to your taskbar, right-click on the USB icon and manually eject anything, you can eject any drive that you have attached simply by selecting it through the File Manager and hitting the Eject Drive button. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.